Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Full Deck Challenge hosted by Shana of ShanoukiArt. And our prompts for this week is steampunk. And I thought I had some gears, but I couldn't find them. They may be one of those items I pick up and put back down a lot at the craft store. But I do have some other metal type items that I can use that goes along with steampunk. I love steampunk, and I'm really surprised I don't have the gears, and I probably do, I just can't find them. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get started. I start off by sanding my card with a sanding block so that what I glue on it can stick. It gives it tooth. And I just prepare my background for my card. I use Mod Podge to attach my pieces, and I just use a layer underneath and then a layer over the top. Now I have various Dollar Tree stickers, and I also have some charms, and I just play around with everything until I'm happy with what I get. Now I cover the white part of my card with the Distress Oxided Walnut. And then I follow this by using splatters from a gold and black watercolor set and also watered down white gesso. Well, here it is, my finished card, and I believe I'm caught up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I sure do appreciate y'all, and I hope y'all have a great and wonderful day. Be sure and check out Shana's channel at ShanoukiArt. Be sure and check out the hashtag Full Deck Challenge too. So until next time, bye y'all.